Hey guys, guess what we're going to make today? Yard dice. I took a 4x4 post cedar, and a 4x4 post is 3.5 by 3.5 square. Cut them into 3.5 inch lengths, and we have a 3.5 by 3.5 inch complete cube. I will use a jig that I made for the drill press to drill the holes, and then we will use the router shaper to round over the edges. We will use a palm sander to smooth them over, and then we will spray paint the dots. We will put a polyurethane on them, and then we will be ready to play with them. So let's go make some dice. See you over at the drill press. This is a Forstner bit. Make a nice flat hole in the bottom, and with the drill press we can stop it at any place we want. Right here is my adjustment on my drill press, so I can change this up and down to give me where I want to stop that drill from going in. So right now I've got it set. You can see this little part right here is as far as it's going to go into the hole, and when I with that stop, pretty simple. And what we're going to do is we're going to orientate the block in here without the spacer at this time. We will drill 3 holes. We will drill the 1, then we have another one in the middle, which is the 5, and then we will turn it to the left and we'll drill the center one there, which is the 3, and then we'll go back to orientation to make sure we're in the same spot, and then we'll adjust to drill the rest of the holes. So let's see how this jig works. And I do have the drill bit set to go down about 1/8 of an inch into the board, and it will stop. So now we are done with those 3 holes. We will put the spacer in place and make sure we're the same place. So we have the 1 here, the 5, and then the 3. So we're going to spin it, and we'll drill the corner holes. So we'll move this over to the right. It is marked, which is the right hole of the dice, even though I moved it to the left. And we will drill 5 holes all the way around on this one. 4 holes to make the 5. Orientate it again. So this is the 1, the 5, the 3. Now we will orientate it again. 1, 5, 3. We have to do all 4 corners over here for the 4. Orientate it again. 4 over here, 5, 3. We can do the 6. We'll do the 4 corners. We're going to have to move this to the center position. Orientate it again so we know where we're going. 1, 5, 4, 6. And then the last one we have left is the 2, which should be to the left of the 3. Whoops. And we're going to change this over to the left. Just spin it all the way around. And we are done. Completely done. Not bad. Got all the holes on there. That was pretty quick. That jig was really nice. So now we're going to bring the block over here, and we've got the round over bit in here. We're just going to take off a little corner on each side of this. Got our safety glasses on, got the fence set up, so it's just barely taking off the corner. When we sand, we'll round them a little bit more too. Cedar is very soft, so I don't want to get really any tear out if I can help it. Alright, so all of our corners are just hit a little bit with the round over bit. Alright, so now I'm going to paint this. So what we're going to do here is, I save these shoe boxes from my boots. Makes a nice little painting station. So I've done it before where I have sat here and gotten a brush out and painted the inside. Doesn't matter if I get it around the outside a little bit because I'm going to sand it down. But what I did this time is I'm going to try this little, I just drilled a hole same size as the diameter of the hole we used, and I'm just going to center it, paint it, Alright guys, so we're going to sand this down now. I'm going to put an 80 grit on my orbital sander, and we'll hit all sides. We'll kind of hit the edge a little bit also. Well, let's get this going, and I will speed this up for you so you don't have to sit here and watch the boring sanding. Well, here what I've done is I've put a piece of paracord across, put an eyelet into each one of those ones. Won't even see it. Tied it over to my drill press to my chop saw. Just going to hang them there. Going to use the just a clamp to keep them from sliding down the paracord. And I'm going to use the shoebox again and some Hellman's spar urethane, and I'll spray each one of these. I'll spray the bottom first. Then I can spray around the sides. Easiest way to do it. Don't have to use a brush. And here they are, finished with the urethane on them. I'll let them dry, and then they will be ready to play outside. Turned out really nice. I love the way the knots just come out when you put that urethane on there. Really nice. Turned out pretty good. Hey guys, here are the dice we made. They really turned out nice. Got 6 dice. You can play with 5, you can play with 6. Really turned out good though, as black dots really stand out. Polyurethane will keep them protected. And I want to thank you guys for watching. It was a lot of fun building this project. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button if you really liked it. And also, check out the video up here in the corner. Show you how I made the jig to drill all the holes on these, which saved me a lot of time from drawing them out, or seen other ones where they put a template on there and poked holes and then try and line up the drill with the holes. The jig I made really worked out well. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and see you guys later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go though. Thanks. Bye-bye.